Okay, guys, Miss D is back. So, as I was saying before the video stopped. Once again, if you were trying to determine the medium-sized banana, the medium-sized banana, because this is 4 tenths and this is 5 tenths. If I broke this number line up into hundreds, this would then become 40 hundreds, and this would become 50 hundreds. In between 40 hundreds and 50 hundreds, you will have 41 hundreds all the way up to 49 hundreds. So the medium-sized banana can be between 41 hundreds and 49 hundreds, okay? So if we come down here, explain how you will find the possible number of grams of potassium, you would simply explain that you would break the number line into hundreds in order to determine what would the medium-sized banana be, okay? It says which could be the number of grams of the number of grams of potassium, in a medium-sized banana. So they give you three options. They said 35 hundredths. So in my mind, I have to think, does 35 hundredths fall between 40 and 50 hundredths? That would be an absolute no. Okay, could it be 45 hundredths gram? Well, ask myself, does 4,500 grams fall between 40 hundredths and 50 hundredths? Yes, it does. So I definitely know that this one could be an option. Let's look at the last one because you always go through every single answer choice that is given to you to ensure that you're able to eliminate the ones that does not make sense. All right. All right. So now we're at 51 grams. And I'm asking myself again, does 51 hundredths gram fall between 40 grams, 40 hundredths grams, and 49 hundredths gram. Definitely not. 51 would be over. So the only possible answer would be 45 hundredth gram. So we're going to go ahead and we did some great thinking there. It says the information says that the amount of potassium in a medium-sized banana is between 4/10 gram and 5/10 gram. To write 4/10 gram as a decimal in hundreds, you would write 40 grams, 40 hundredths grams, To write 5/10 as a decimal in hundreds, you would write 50 hundredths grams. The number 45 hundredths is between 40 hundredths and 50 hundredths. Great explanation there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and flip over. Oh, sorry, not missed you out. So let me just go back. Thank you for your patience. So I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to see if it'll let me continue. Same thing here. So I'm going to have to go all the way back to my original screen. And I'm going to click on the interactive lesson again. Thank you for your patience. All right, it is uploading. All right, so now I'm going to go over to, thank you. It's taking a little minute to upload, and you should be used to this. In class, it does the same thing. It takes a minute for it to get uploaded. Okay, awesome. So now we're going to try to go over. Okay, so actually that was it. That was our build understanding. So we're going to start with build understanding. And if the video cuts off, I'll create another one. So we do what we have to do to make this happen so that you will understand exactly what you're supposed to be doing and you will understand what you're learning. Sorry about the delay in the uploading. It's technology. So just wait 1 second. Thank you again. All right, awesome. So now we're looking at the build understanding, and it says for number one, a jar contains 6,500 liter of fresh squeezed orange juice. So notice that your denominator is no longer tenths. We are now in hundreds, okay? Oh, doesn't that look like a refreshing glass of orange juice? Okay. So you look here, it says represent the amount of juice on a hundredths model and a number line. So this is a hundredths model. Why? Because there are 100 tiny units in this whole. All right. And then on the number line, there are tenths. Each tenth is broken up into 10 again to create hundreds. And I explained that in the first video. So before we actually jump into this, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video and I'm going to go ahead and start a fresh one so we can all be on the same page. Okay.